Alright, let's take a look at Crow's Nest Hole 9. A lot to talk about on this one. Start out with, I guess it's worth noting that the maximum wind here is a 2, which is always kind of nice. And I don't know why they start out with the default of a forehand, because if you've got anything like a musket or up, you're not going to be playing to the right. The smarter play is to switch to backhand, play to this ledge over here on the left, and it's usually with a musket. You can use a sapphire too, but I like to just use the accurate windbreak musket. Accurate roll works also. Aim somewhere about here, a little bit of hyzer, and let it hopefully bounce off, end up with a look at the basket. Now from here you have a couple options. You can use a mid, the accurate windbreak fuse probably, to throw in. We'll look at that first. So I like to put the bottom chevron at the bottom left of the basket, and then we're going to add 30 feet to the power. So 183 plus 30 is 213, and of course we'll just round that up to 215 or so. And if you're using the accurate windbreak fuse, this is about 215, somewhere about right here. See if this works out. And that's one option. The other option is take the same musket, backhand of course, play over to the left here. And I kind of like hitting that wall right there because then it always bounces out clear, at least usually anyway. And then the other option for the throw in from this point is take the accurate windbreak musket, put the top chevron just to the left of the top of the basket, and you don't have to worry about calculating any sort of power here because we're going to go straight back, full send. I kind of like that option myself. It's more fun, but I also don't have to calculate any power because it's full send obviously. Now if you have this nice 2 tailwind out of the left and you have the light glide arrive and you are bowled, you can slide to the left, switch to backhand, put the chevrons about so, and hyzer to about so, and with any luck you'll be able to drive the green for the easy, well, can't see, easy eagle. Now you can also drive the green with the 2 tailwind out of the right. Same disc, little different aim point, and not near as much anhyzer. Something about here. So that's a pretty nice shot if you're bold enough to take it. Alright, and before we leave the hole, let's take a look at the Easter egg that can be found here. We have to start out by getting to the green. That's close enough. I'll jump up top here. And now we're going to spin around to the left. The area we're looking for is right there. And I did edit out some shots that didn't make it. So this is the harp on a forehand. Drop into this area over here. Check it out. Spin around a little bit. Welcome to the disco. So I thought it was pretty cool. If you didn't know about it, now you do. And there's nobody here, but check back on Saturday night. I understand the place is popping on Saturday nights. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that little distraction. And also hope you enjoyed the look at Crow's Nest Hole 9. Hope you learned something. And as always, we'll see you around the valley.